Thank you.
Mer, you will not believe who's here.
Hello again, Attorney Meredith. Sorry ha, pumunta ako dito without setting an appointment. Hindi pala mahirap mahanap yung love office nyo.
So, what brings you here?
I'm sorry sa inasal ko kahapon. Naging magaspang ang mga nasabi ko sa'yo. Alam mo naman siguro yung sitwasyon ko. May malapit nga pala na coffee shop dito. Would you care to join me for coffee?
Thank you for inviting me out.
I just need someone to talk to. Besides, kilala ka ng asawa ko at unfair naman para sa akin na asawa niya na siya lang yung may kilala sa isang maganda at napaka-successful na babaeng katulad mo. Sige na, tatanggihan mo pa ba ako? Baka lalong isipin ko na talagang nagsisinungaling ka lang sa akin kahapon at babae ka nga talaga ng asawa ko. Attorney, sabi mo magkakilala kayo ni Ramir. Way back when? Kasal na ba kami?
I don't know.
Paano nga ba kayo nagkakilala noon? Can you tell me?
Naging acquainted kami, pero I don't remember kung business-related or something that has to do with legalities. Pero one time lang yun.
A one-time thing only? And I thought it was an affair. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just joking. I guess it's my way of coping with my husband being in the hospital. Alam mo, mabilis kasi ako magduda. Lalo na pag may mga babaeng lumalapit sa asawa ko. You know that my husband is a very good-looking man. At maraming nahuhumaling sa kanya. Actually, maraming umaaligid sa kanya, pero ako pa rin ang nagwagi. Mahal ko yun eh.
And I'm sure your husband loves you.
Kaya nga, nagpakasal kami sa isa't isa. Dahil mahal namin ang bawat isa, siya na naging buhay ko. Sila ng anak ko. But sometimes, people make mistakes. They give in to temptations. Early in our marriage, my husband cheated on me. Sorry, bakit ko nasasabi sa'yo ang lahat ng ito, but I just feel na you're so easy to talk to. I don't know why.
Well, we can actually talk about other things.
Ang sabi sa akin ni Ramir, one time lang daw yun nangyari. But you know what? I can't help think that there's something more to it. Namimiss ba niya yung babaeng yun? Minahal ba niya yung babaeng yun? Sumasagi nga sa isip ko eh. Na, what if naanakan niya yung babaeng yun? Tapos hindi lang nila sinasabi sa akin. Hindi lang nila sinasabi sa akin nung babae niyang home record.